Hi, my name's Sarah and you're watching the Zoom sessions. The next song I'm going to play is When Will I Be Home, and that's going to be on my next album out early next year. No light, no lamp lights on my road, and so I go down this darkened road. The outline of the mountain's back forms a path that I can follow. You scare me not, though you are strong and striking as I drive along the dead-end land down which I roam. You tower over little souls, little wheels. We go and we go, go, go. When will I be home? Will I make it home? 'Cause these journeys don't mean anything at all, and I am small. I go from A to B, scene to scene, and you're the only thing I dream of behind my steering wheel. And no light, no moonlight in the grey. It was such a cloudy day, and thoughts of you and thoughts of sleep, well, it almost made me lose the street. And glaring eyes remain the woods, they take their chances if they could, but I drive fast, so watch me go. I'll be back north before you know. This little heart wants to know, no, 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 no. When will I be home? Will I make it home? 'Cause these journeys don't mean anything at all, and I am small. I go from A to B, scene to scene, and you're the only thing I dream of behind my steering wheel. And no lights, no starlights in the sky, and I am so tired and I just want to cry. And rain beats hard upon the glass, no signs for miles and my heart beats fast. The lights from distant towns are seeing last. When will I be home? Will I make it home? 'Cause these journeys don't mean anything at all, and I am small. I go from A to B, scene to scene, and you're the only thing I dream of behind my steering wheel. And I almost did forget to look where I was going, and I almost did forget. But these seeds that I've been sowing, and I bet you've been counting down the hours as I am counting down the miles to your door. No light, no lamp lights on my road, so when will I